This map shows all of the earthquakes for 2025 in Southeast Australia that the SRC detected. I'm not going to tell you how many there are because I want you to leave your guess in the comments, but I will give you some guidance on how to estimate the number of earthquakes. Now we know that there's an exponential relationship between the number of earthquakes and the magnitude of earthquakes. Generally you'll have many times more magnitude 4s than 5s, and that many times more again of magnitude 3s than 4s, etc. So if we start with the fact that there was one magnitude 5 or larger in this area, then we would expect some multiple of that number in the magnitude 4 range. And in this case, it was 6 times as many magnitude 4s as 5s. So if we continue to look at the multiple events in each magnitude range, we look at the magnitude 3 range and there were 4 times as many, magnitude 2 range, there were 7 times as many, magnitude 1 range, there were 6 times as many, and then we get to the magnitude 0 range and it was only about 0.8 times as many detected as in the magnitude 1 range. Now why is that? What it's pointing at is the fact that our seismic network isn't dense enough to pick up every little tiny event across this whole region. So we can pretty confidently say that we can detect most magnitude 1 and larger events in our network, but below that we don't have magnitude completeness. Anyhow, that magnitude 5.2 earthquake was between Nyngan and Walgett in New South Wales, and it was one of 11 events that we detected in that region, but that wasn't the largest event in Australia for 2025. That honour goes to a magnitude 5.6 in southeast Queensland. That certainly lit up our entire network of seismographs in Southeast Australia.